Right, Ev. Do you like riding your bike here? Yeah. What are they doing over there? Yeah. Do you see any fish down there?
Yeah. And I see some kind of grass that hurt you.
Oh, yeah? Huh.
Yeah. And it pokes. Yes. Yes.
Did he catch a fish, Ev?
Yes.
You clapping for him? Look at that. He caught a fish, huh? Do you like eating your lunch out here, Ev? We see somebody catch a fish? That was cool, huh? What are you eating?
Orange.
Yeah. What did you see in the water?
Fish.
Fish, yeah. Did you see, what else did you see in there?
A big fish.
Did you see any dragonflies? Are there any turtles in there?
No.
Did we have a good bike ride? Now what are you eating?
Ice cream.
What kind of ice cream?
Mango sprinkles.
Yeah. Is it good?